Imagine this. Two people receive an extra $100. The first person spends it immediately. A new pair of shoes, a nice dinner, a gadget they didn't really need. The money is gone within days. The second person does something different. They invest it. They buy an asset, a stock, an index fund, a small business idea, something that can grow over time. 10 years later, the first person barely remembers where that $100 went. The second person's $100 has multiplied, and that is the difference between people who build wealth and people who stay broke. It's called the $100 rule. Whenever money enters your life, ask yourself one simple question. Will this money make my life look richer today, or will it make me richer tomorrow? Most people choose today. Wealthy people choose tomorrow. And that single decision repeated hundreds of times changes everything. The truth is, becoming rich is rarely about earning a huge salary. There are people earning millions every year who are drowning in debt. And there are ordinary people with average incomes quietly building wealth in the background. Income matters, but behavior matters more. Every dollar you earn has a mission. You are the one who decides what that mission is. Some dollars are sent out to impress strangers. Others are sent out to work for you. The rich understand something that most people never learn. Money is an employee. Every dollar you keep and invest becomes another worker on your financial team. That worker earns money. Then that money earns more money. And eventually, your money begins working harder than you do. This is the power of compounding. At first, the results look tiny, almost invisible. You invest $100, then another $100, then another. Months pass, nothing exciting happens. Most people quit here because humans love immediate rewards. We want results now. We want success now. We want proof now. But wealth rewards patience. Years later, those small investments begin to grow faster and faster. The snowball becomes larger. The growth becomes bigger. And suddenly people look at your success and say, "You're lucky." But it wasn't luck. It was consistency. The biggest financial mistake people make is lifestyle inflation. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A better phone, a bigger apartment, a more expensive car, a more expensive vacation. Their income rises. Their expenses rise even faster. From the outside, they look successful. From the inside, they are trapped. The wealthy often do the opposite. When income increases, investments increase first. They buy more assets before buying more luxuries, because they understand a powerful truth. The person who controls their desires controls their financial future. Every purchase has a hidden price, not just the price tag, the future value of that money. A $100 purchase isn't just $100. It might be $300, $500, or even $1,000 in future value that was never allowed to grow. That doesn't mean you should never enjoy your money. Money should improve your life. Experiences matter. Family matters. Enjoying the present matters. But spending should be intentional, not emotional, not driven by social media, not driven by trying to impress people who probably aren't thinking about you anyway. The wealthiest people often understand something that others ignore. Freedom is more valuable than status. Freedom to choose your work. Freedom to travel. Freedom to spend time with family. Freedom to say no. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy options, and options create freedom. The next time an extra $100 enters your life, stop for a moment. Ask yourself, will I spend this to look rich today? Or will I use this to become rich tomorrow? Because wealth is not built in one big decision. It's built in thousands of small decisions that nobody sees. The $100 rule won't make you rich overnight. But if you follow it long enough, one day you'll wake up and realize something incredible. Your money is finally working harder than you are. And that's when everything changes.